Imagine this: you've got words that sell, but finding that first paying client feels like an impossible quest today. We're breaking down exactly how to snag that initial copywriting gig, no matter your experience level. Step 1. Build a killer portfolio. This is your storefront, don't have paying clients yet. No problem. Create spec pieces, pick a brand you admire or a product you'd love to work with, and write the copy for their landing page, an email campaign, or a social media ad show. Don't just tell what you can do. Step 2. Leverage online platforms. Think LinkedIn, freelance marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr, and even social media groups dedicated to small businesses or marketing. Optimize your profiles with keywords that clients will search for regularly. Share valuable content about copywriting and marketing to establish yourself as an expert. Step 3. Network like it's your job, because it is. Reach out to small business owners you know personally, or those in your local community. Offer your services for a small fee or even a testimonial in exchange for your first project. Attend online webinars and virtual networking events. Let people know you're a copywriter ready to help them grow. Step 4. Start small and prove your worth. Your first client might not be a huge corporation, and that's perfectly fine. Focus on delivering outstanding results that exceed expectations. This will lead to testimonials, future referrals, and invaluable experience that will attract even bigger clients. Landing your first copywriting client is about showing your talent, being visible, and actively seeking opportunities. Start building that portfolio today. Get yourself out there and watch those client inquiries roll in.